Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your cellular plan must include a hotspot and you need some data. Once done, make sure cellular is enabled and airplane mode is off so radios can function. Next, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow Others to Join. This activates the service and creates a network name. You do this now because enabling here links authentication and radio power. It's the foundation before device connection steps that follow. Now configure how others will join and why it matters. You should set a strong password under Personal Hotspot. This prevents data abuse and keeps performance stable. Once you've set credentials, note the SSID shown and choose Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB for connection. Each method has trade-offs. Wi-Fi is easy, Bluetooth conserves battery, USB is fastest and charges the phone. After selecting a method, connect the client device and verify it receives an IP address and internet access. Finish by confirming connections and optimizing reliability. You should inspect the connected devices list in Personal Hotspot and disconnect any unknown clients. This secures bandwidth. If the client cannot connect, try turning the hotspot off and back on, then restart both devices. Simple reboots clear transient radio and IP issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to remove corrupt configs and make sure carrier settings are updated. This often resolves authentication or provisioning errors without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.